And let's see what we have here. Wow, it's kind of hard to express to you the scale of this Buddha. Wow. That looks so cool. But obviously, there's a lot of tradition and culture behind all this. I don't know the history of this. But check this out. Let's go ahead and check the inside of this. Some artwork here. Oh wow. This is most definitely the most unique temple that I've seen. I've not seen any of them that looks like this since being here in Laos. Wow. And as of right now, I am the only person in here. Jeez, this is so beautiful. I am not sure why it was designed this way, but it is really, really stunning. And from what I understand at the time of this video, this is a fairly new temple. So I think this opened a little past 2020, if I'm not mistaken. Wow, it's really amazing looking. And this is inside the Buddha that we were looking at before coming in. But yeah, if you really love temples, then I would definitely put this as one of those must see and must come visit. And you could come pray over here, make donations and gifts for the temple. And there's a silver statue there. Then there's a gold one right here. Come here. Wow. Really, really stunning. Go back outside. And it's very peaceful here. Yeah, so all of that is at the base of the Buddha statue.